So in this video we're going to explore the inclusive gateway. The inclusive gateway defines a decision point. It is used when the process may follow one or more paths at the same time, depending on specific conditions like different options or thresholds. Let's quickly compare it to the gateways you already know. Unlike the exclusive gateway, which picks only one path, and unlike the parallel gateway, which triggers all paths, the inclusive gateway sits in the middle. It evaluates conditions for each outgoing path and activates all the ones that are true. This means it can trigger one, some, or even all branches depending on the situation. So what happens when the process flow reaches an inclusive gateway? It checks each condition, and for every true condition, a token is sent down that path. Like in our example, if two conditions are true, two paths are taken. If only one is true, then just that one. This makes it more flexible than the other gateways, so we can say the inclusive gateway allows a kind of controlled parallelism. But just like the parallel gateway, the inclusive gateway needs a way to close. And that's where the closing inclusive gateway comes in. And this time it waits for all active paths to reach the gateway before the process continues. If only two paths were taken, like in our example, it waits just for those two. If three paths were taken, then it waits for all three. This ensures the process is synchronized before moving on. So remember, the inclusive gateway is perfect when multiple outcomes are possible and you want to evaluate them all. If you enjoyed this video and want to become truly confident in process modeling, check out my complete BPMN Masterclass on Udemy. The link is in the description below.